Now let's talk about rockets. We have been able to learn so much about our solar system and the whole universe because we have been able to send rockets and other technology into space. Now, we can even send humans into space. What do we call those? Astronauts, that's right. And how do they travel to space? In a rocket. Every part of the rocket is important. The pointy end is called the nose cone. It makes the rocket aerodynamic. Can you say aerodynamic? Great job. That means it can cut through the air and helps the rocket move faster and farther. Imagine if the end were flat. It would be pushing against the air and there would be resistance and it might not ever make it to space. The parts on the bottom are called fins, and they help keep the rocket straight as it heads towards space. Now, the large part in the middle is called the body, and astronauts would be inside the body. In yours, you have a parachute to help your rocket come back safely to Earth. At the very bottom, we have the engine. The engine gives the rocket thrust. It pushes it up. Now, you guys have a fun air rocket to test your thrust. So go ahead and load one up. This is called an air pump, and your hand is going to squeeze it, and it's going to push your rocket into the sky. Now imagine how much thrust it would take to get this rocket into space. That's a lot. That's pretty cool. So you guys have your very own rocket to build. Go ahead, follow the directions, build your rocket. There are hobby stores that can help you find engines and launch pads, everything you need if you want to actually launch your rocket. Great job, guys. I will see you next time.